Wait, don't come yet. Don't come yet. Wait till the doors like open. They can run inside. Why the camera's open? No. Shoot.
Jemiah.
Yes.
Who the f is that by my door?
What?
Who the f is that? Oh, who is that?
No one.
You play games with me?
Huh?
Lie to me again, see what happens.
That's no one.
That's no.
I don't see anybody.
It's no one that's going to be. Alright? Keep playing with me. Act like I can't see your. Who is that? And why is he by my door?
Oh, my friend?
Stop playing games with me, man.
That was my friend.
Where's Bobby at?
Huh?
Huh?
They're home because I was trying to go get something from the house.
You said Bobby is where?
She's at home and I was trying to get something from the house.
Take your back over there.
Okay.
Call her right now.
Ring doorbell, stopping little hot tail girls from becoming teenage mothers everywhere. Get your little sneaky behind in the house. Ain't nothing sneakier than a daughter. And I just want y'all to point this out to Suki Hannas, the Sexy Reds, the Meg the Stallions, the City Girls, and all hot girl summer advocates. These are the real little girls you're influencing. Not no grown women, little girls. Shout out to Dad won't let his daughter get caught slipping. Good job, Pops.